Reed diffusers are easy to use, quick to make, and super customizable. In this video, I'll be going over what they are, how to make them, and why they can make great additions to your line. First of all, what are Reed diffusers? Reed diffusers are heatless home fragrance products that disperse scent into the air through reed sticks. Reed diffusers are made by combining fragrance oil or essential oil with a liquid base. The scented solution is typically held in glass or metal bottles, which are capped with lids or plugs until ready for use. To use a reed diffuser, simply uncap the bottle, then add the reed sticks. When a reed is placed in the diffuser, it draws the scented solution up and distributes it from the bottom of the reed to the top. Once the diffuser reed is fully saturated, it then releases the scented solution throughout the air. We usually recommend using around 6 to 8 reeds, but more reeds can result in a stronger throw, so you can easily customize the strength of your diffuser depending on how many reeds you use. While the reeds do play an important role in scent distribution, we need to talk about the base. A reed diffuser base is made from a blend of silicones and organic compounds that combine with fragrance oil or essential oil. If you placed reed diffuser sticks directly in fragrance oil or essential oil, not much would happen because these liquids are too thick to travel up the reed sticks alone. Reed diffuser base solves this problem by thinning out the fragrance, allowing this less viscous solution to flow up the reeds and be dispersed. Currently, CandleScience has 2 diffuser bases, and both are non-toxic and VOC compliant in all 50 states. If selecting a reed diffuser base elsewhere, we just recommend ensuring that the base is VOC compliant as well. Scented reed diffuser solution can be made with either fragrance oil or essential oil. The choice is up to you. However, keep IFRA recommendations in mind. IFRA creates rules and regulations for a variety of fragrance materials and a variety of products. Always reference the IFRA certificate of a fragrance on the product pages before selecting it for use in reed diffusers. Once you know which materials you'll be using, you'll just need to calculate how much scent and base you'll need for your diffuser. We recommend using a maximum amount of 25% fragrance in reed diffusers for the best results. If you prefer a milder throw, you can always experiment using less. Also, something to note. If a fragrance is approved for a lower amount than 25% in the IFRA category 10A, use that amount instead. Use this formula to determine the amount of materials you'll need. For example, if you wanted to make a 1-ounce reed diffuser, the calculation would look like this. First, we'll calculate how much fragrance to use. And then we'll use that number to calculate how much base will be needed. Combine the reed diffuser base with your fragrance and stir gently. You can then cap the diffuser or add your reeds. If you already make candles or soap, you're familiar with measuring materials by weight and using a scale. You'll also measure by weight when making reed diffusers. Fragrance oils and essential oils vary in density, so weighing them is the best way to achieve accurate measurements. So, now that you know how to make reed diffusers, let's talk about some benefits of including them in your line. Because they don't require flames or heat, reed diffusers are a great option for anyone who may be living in housing that prohibits open flame, is concerned that pets or children might disturb a burning candle, or are simply wary of burning candles in their home. Another benefit of reed diffusers is their longevity. A typical 1-ounce mixture with 6 to 8 reeds should last around 2 to 3 months in an average-sized room. A boost in sales is another perk. By adding reed diffusers to an existing collection, makers can attract new customers or increase current customer spend. The addition is usually well received and, similar to candles, reed diffusers are an attractive option for home decor. If you have any questions about reed diffusers or want to learn more, check out the link below. And whether you've been making reed diffusers for a while now, or if you're just trying them out for the first time, remember to tag us in your creations on social. We always love seeing what y'all are making.